welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this gorgeous kind of everyday kind of look, but I added a liner, blocked out the lips, added a gloss, so she's very extra, as you can see. I use mostly Gosh products because a lot of you wanted to see tutorials with affordable products in them, so you're welcome. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So the reason why I'm using my Gosh products is because I'm using my Gosh skincare at home. So I really want to see how the makeup kind of works hand in hand with the skincare. I'm like dying to know. So yeah, I'm using mainly Gosh products today. I have the Gosh Donada moisturizer on. I'm gonna be adding, I don't know which one is my favorite. I like the pore and wrinkle minimizer because, you know, I just want to be as flawless as possible. I'm just going to use my favorite eyeshadow base, which is the Calvin Klein. It's no longer available in stores. So I have my eyeshadow base on. I'm going to be using the To Rock Down Under eyeshadow palette, and this is like really pretty oranges and mauve shades. I'm going to be applying this orange shade inside my crease. Ooh, I love that shade. That is like the perfect crease shade for me. It's my favorite. Oh, I know I'm gonna like this palette a lot. Well, I've tried it before and I did like it, but it didn't really do the makeup looks that I would wear just going out, so that's what I want to try and do now. I'm gonna go in with the dark down. Then with this red shade, I'm actually gonna blend the brown. Going in with the Gosh Slanted Pro Liner. Just gonna create a wing. I think I'm feeling for a really intense wing. Whoa. I thought this is gonna be like a brush, but it's actually, the applicator is actually like a angled brush, but it's hard. It's not really a brush. I'm quite nervous to try this now. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Ooh, that is very nice to use. Loving this liner. I've actually never done my liner this quickly, this easily. I'm gonna stop, otherwise I'm gonna keep going and going and going till I do it. So I'm happy with that. We'll definitely pick up this liner again. Lashes. I'm gonna be using a lash from this brand called Cover the Lashes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Whoa, this one is very hectic. This one is called #Zaza. Whoa, that is intense. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Pretty nervous about it. Yeah, these lashes are insane. Oh my goodness, I missed lashes so much, and this is really giving me the feels. Like, I'm like, this is why I miss you, you know? It's the feeling I'm getting from these lashes. And can I just say that these big ass lashes are so much easier to apply than the ones like you get that clicks like Eyeliner and Ardell, because the lash strip is quite flimsy, or it's too hard. Like the Eyeliner ones, I can't stand how hard the actual strip is. This one you can easily maneuver around, but it's like it's already in that shape you need it to be most of the time. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my soap trick on my brows, and this is just taking pure soap from Discam, spritzing it with any one of your favorite setting sprays, getting out your spoolie. And it's not wet, the soap is not wet, it's actually quite dry, it's just you made it a bit tacky so you can get the product onto the spoolie and into the brows. If it's too wet, the brows are gonna go nowhere. You're not gonna do, I mean, it's not gonna help. So it needs to be tacky. You can see that I'm like struggling to pull the product through the brow. Okay, so brows are done, lashes are on. I'm now going to be going on to foundation, and I'm using the Perfect Coverage in shade 104. Using the brush by Beauty by Zar. Using the two concealers that I'm loving right now. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers, shade Natural and shade Mocha. Looking like a damn ghost. Using the Gosh Prime and Set loose powder, this is the banana. I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eye, and love this product. I don't usually reach for it often, but it is a really beautiful powder, especially if you need something yellow. Take that pinkness away, which most people in South Africa do, because a lot of brands are more neutral and pink undertone. We like 90% of South Africa is yellow undertoned. Yeah, I usually just apply my powder underneath my eye, next to my nose, and on my top lip. But this is just so you know, I'm mattifying all of the necessary areas and not the whole face, because I love a glowy skin. So this is the only places I ever mattify. Sometimes I'll go a bit on the forehead, but really. Now using the Strobe and Glow kit, this is in highlight. Just bringing these cheekbones forward. Look how amazing this highlighter is. I don't know why I don't use this more often. Oh my goodness. Wow. then using the Giant bronzer from Gosh as well. This is called Giant Sun Power. I mean, look at this freaking bronzer. It's absolutely stunning. And yeah, I usually just apply bronzer on top of my contour to set it, also to give it more of a bronzy feel, because most of the time the concealers are not the bronziness that you want it to be, you know. Especially if you're using a cool tone concealer, then I always use a warm tone concealer for my cream contour. But if you are using a cool tone, then I'll always go over with bronzer just to make sure everything is nice and warm and bronzy and golden. Going back in with my palette, I'm gonna go with pink underneath the eye. Going in with the Volume Stylist Mascara from Essence. Look at this packaging. Oh, so stunning. Ooh, okay. Whoa. Well, I wouldn't expect anything less, because Essence mascaras are literally, like, I can say the best. I have to say it. Okay guys, it is time for the last step, and we are going to be using, I just concealed over my lips. So I'm going to be using the Lumi Lips Gloss by Gosh. And this is shade BTW, as in, like, by the way. Look at the light though, like, can you be this extra, honey? Okay guys, so that is it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see how I actually applied this wig, then go to the last video that I uploaded, and it shows you guys how I apply my wigs. It was my first attempt, so don't judge. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time.